Okay, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome digital planner 2025. I am going to walk you through how you can design these beautiful, awesome pages in natural colors, minimalistic, very modern, very clean. As you can see from here, we've got January, February, all the way down to we have December, and then I've added a note. I kept it very simple and a blank page and a daily journal that you can print off and you can copy as well. You can use it whatever way you want to use it. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. So what you need to do first of all is I'm going to go to one of them. Since I've got this, so I'm going to go to design. I'm going to go to home. You need to go to home, right? And click on home. So once you come here, go to create design. The size that we're going to use is custom size. So go all the way down to custom size and type in 8.5. We're going to work in inches, and 8.5 to do that again, 8.5, 6.5. I'm going to keep to this design. Then once you typed in your numbers 8.5 and 6.5, then click on create design. Voila, you're going to get a blank design like this. Okay, I'm using the pro version. So if you don't know Canva, all this side is where the magic happens. So if you want to add text, you add text. Elements is basically your graphics that you used and so forth, that you can choose what you want to. But don't worry, I've got you covered. You are going to learn this awesome way of doing it step by step. We're in our design now. Done this. This is what we want to achieve. This is our goal. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a binder. We're going to have a background, and we're going to create all these tabs and a name tag, and maybe add some graphics. You can get creative as much as you can. It'll be up to you once you know how to use this. So we're going to have a home page that will bring us to our cover page, and we're going to have January, February up to all the way down to December. So it's a monthly calendar, and all these are going to be linked, and I'll show you how to hyperlink all the tabs so that it easily goes to the tab that you click onto. So if it's February, it's not going to work here now, but I'll show you how to do that. So let's get back to it. First of all, let's name our calendar. I'm going to name it awesome calendar, awesome digital calendar, digital calendar. I'm gonna fix this. There's something wrong with my calendar. Yeah, digital. There's two eyes there. Okay, awesome 2025 calendar. So got this out of the way. This helps you to manage your files. So first of all, we need a background. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to elements, click on the shape. There you go, I got the shape now. I'm going to take it all the way up there, keep a little room here, and then I'm going to stretch it all the way along the canvas. Keep some space here because this is where the tag is going to go. I'm going to go change color. This is the color we're going to use. Brilliant. And for the tabs, we're going to use this. So let's find a binder for a spiral binder. Okay, I've already searched it, but if you want to search it, just spiral binder, spiral binder. Yeah, spiral binder. Just type in that and you will find all these binders. So click on see all and go through the one that you like, something that matches your preference, something that you like. I am going to choose something. Let's see if we find something. Okay, I'm going to choose that, or shall we choose the same one that we done? So we can copy this. So I'm going to copy this, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back and just paste it here. Command paste for Mac and Control V for your Windows. I'm going to go back. I'm going to use this color. So we use this color. I'm going to use this color, go back, copy, and then paste it here. I am going to send this to the back. So go to layers, send it to back. Voila, we got this. Now we want to work on the tabs. For me, I'm going to make it very easy. So this is the tab that we're going to use. Go to elements. Now there's two ways of doing this. Go to elements. You can use this, drag it there, or just click it there, resize it a little bit, and you will need, say for us it was 14. It was 14 altogether. 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 tabs we needed. The way to do that is let's go do the first one and then duplicate it, resize it and duplicate again. So we got 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Voila, see how beautiful, how easy it is. Now if you want to highlight all of them, or if you want to select all of them, just drag it all the way down there, and I'll show you a nice little trick. Go to position and there, so it doesn't need tidy up, so we don't have to do anything. So I kept a little gap here. I'm going to change it around a little bit. We are going to increase this from here to all the way down here. Now if you want to say make it bigger on the side, you can. We're going to do it. Just keep a little gap so it looks nice. Now I want to group this. Once highlighted, you can group this, but I'm not going to, we don't have to do this now. Keep it as it is now. Now if you want to name it, if you want to give it a name, heading my awesome, I'm going to use two, my awesome, and if you want to duplicate it, so I'm going to use it again, awesome 2025 digital. This is something that you can do. What I'm going to do, I just showed you how to do that, and I want to lock this. I want to send this, bring this and this forward. So I selected it, bring it forward, go to layers and bring it forward. So what we can do is select this and go to position and send it back. This is done. Now we got our front home page ready. Now as I said, I'm going to show you how to do the same one. I'm just going to copy and paste this. Now if you want to lock this, you can lock this. This is how you lock. Select all this for me and I'll show you how to do that. Now I'll show you how to do the text and all that. To get images, go to elements, and this is where you type in what you want to see all. Get the images. I got this image, I got it here. Now text, you know how to do that. If you want to do this box, it's simple. Just get this, drag it along, stretch it a little bit, make it to your preference, and this is how you do it. Now if you want to change the color, you can, right? Any color you want. I went for this color or this color. It's going to be this exactly the same color as this one. Go for white, and then you can decrease this color by using transparency, make it more transparent and faded. You can have that here. If you want to make the corners round, go and click on this icon here, corner rounding, and just increase the corners. You can do it as much as you like. I'm going to increase it there. I like it there. Just change this to a little bit darker color, so you can see what is happening. So I don't like it's too rounded, so I'm going to go and decrease it, make it to my preference there. Then go to transparency, move it around. You can play with the colors. First page done. Okay, now second page, add page. Now what you want to do is open up another template and search for, say, monthly calendar. Search for monthly calendar. You should have all these choice. Canva is brilliant. If you haven't got Canva, is absolutely, they got absolutely awesome. They got so many templates that you can use. So the one I used was somewhere down here. So, but this is up to you what you want. If it's landscape, if it's portrait, you want, choose your design. You need to change it. Don't change it around a little bit. Make your own. Own it. So if you want a monthly calendar like this, colorful, but we're doing a minimalistic one. Choose any one of them. Once you've chosen that, what you need to do is go. I'm gonna just copy and paste this, and this is easy to make. Okay, I'll show you how to make this. Go back to our awesome calendar. We just command paste. So this box is easy. Once you get this, you can change it around. Box again, use the shape, bring it around here. Again, this is easy. Look, you can use the lines here, any lines you want, and you got your monthly calendar. You can change it around. You got mood board, you got to-do list. It's easy to do this. Let me ungroup this, and you can see it. Look, these lines I created. These lines you can create these by yourself. Just use this and decrease this easily. So that's done, people. It's easy. And now all you have to do is rinse and repeat. Make sure that all of the thing is working for you. So do the 12 months up to January. Keep it very simple and just follow this design. And now I'm going to show you how to hyperlink this. We're going to say home page. I'm going to get a home icon. This is the home icon. Decrease it a little bit. Align it here. Make it small so it fits it. If you want to zoom in, go here and just increase the zoom. Go back, go to your icon and change it. You can change the color, any color you want. You want red, you want white. I am going to go for white so it looks nice. Then type in January, and if you want to capitalize it, make it uppercase, that's it. Now turn it 90 degrees, take it to the tab that you want to place it there, decrease it, voila. People, look at that. It looks absolutely awesome. I want to change the color to white. Keep it white, or this color, any color you want. You can make it bold if you want, but I don't want to make it bold. I'm going to keep it there. Now let me show you how to link it. There's two ways. One way, I'll show you easy. Click on these three dots, go to link, right? Okay, before I do that, let me show you another easy thing to do. Label, show you. So label this. This is January. This is home, so it makes it easier when you want to link it. Okay, this is done. Get out of this. Just click on this. It's going to take you out of the grid view. Now we've got that. Let's go to our tab. Highlight this. Click the three dots here. Click on the link. Click on this. Now can you see that is linked? Link added now. Yeah, how do you know? Look, link add. Show you another one. Show exactly the same process. Select the tab and the text. Go to the three dots. Go to link and show you January. Link added. Done. And how would you know that? Because you're going to see a underscore there. If you want to take the underscore off, and just click on this. Now it's working. The last thing that I want to show you is how to save it. So basically you go to share and you go to download. Now if you don't have a pro version, you won't be able to do certain things, right? Especially PDF standard, you may not able to download it, but we need PDF standard because the links has to work. So let me download this. Be a little bit of time. Voila, click on this. Find where you saved it. Now our digital planner is working. Let's see if the link is working. Click on Jan. Oh, see, it's working. Boom. If I click on January, it's here. Now one other thing what you need to do, once you done all this, you've created your finalized it, you're happy with the design, now go crazy with the design, right? You want to highlight all of them and group them. Now you've done your link and all this stuff. Okay, so all you're doing now is you group them, send it to back and backward, right? Now I want you to click on it and I want you to copy it and go to January. Voila, done. You are awesome, you've done it. See? But to cover this here, what I've done, I had a background color. So this background color is this. Easy to get this color number or the hex color code. Go in there, click like this, and then copy this. Come back to your design. Go here. Oops, that's not the design. Yeah, now click on this and then click on the color icon. And now look what you can do. See? But there's a problem, right? Can you see what's happening here? It doesn't look nice. So what we are going to do is we want to cover this. We want to cover this so it looks nice. So we want to take this color. We're going to go to shape, change the color, bring it down here. Just bring it just there, all the way down there. We want to cover all this. Right, now go to the color icon, click, and show you the same color. Just cover this. And what you can also do is you can lock this locked, so it's not going to move around or anything. If you select this, nothing's going to happen, right? It looks nice. This is what you can do. The same thing for all the pages. Just cut and paste and do this. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know. Give us a feedback. Thank you for watching, and I hope you go crazy on your designs.